How to create and add watermark in Canva video. So let's get started. If you also want to add a watermark in your Canva video, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to canva.com from your browser, or you can also download your Canva application and simply open up any draft videos which you have on your Canva project, or you can also select existing project. So as you can see, I've selected my existing project. So what I'll be doing is simply adding a text by simply heading over to a text button over here. So let me just quickly add a simple text. Let's say to create a GD5 watermark, I will simply type in GD5 and simply head over to this transparent option over here and simply decrease the transparency. So we can actually adjust this to make sure it looks good. So you can always select this to white based on your background color of your background video. So in this case, I'm taking it to selecting it as a white color, so it suits the background color, so it looks more like a watermark. And I can also actually use the image just like this, but as I've already uploaded the image, and do the same for the image as well. So simply adjust accordingly and make sure it's transparent enough to be looked as an or called as an watermark inside the video. So once you do all of that, you can simply adjust the timing of it as well. So for that, you can just simply have to click on the video, any of the watermark, and simply right click on it and click on show element timing, and you can adjust how more long you want that watermark to appear, whether throughout the video or only halfway through the video. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.